Ding, ring, 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 ring.
Morning.
Uh-oh. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it?
It's 7:15, dear.
I forgot about work! No!
What?
It's so sad!
What does like that crying and
No.
whining is?
You know what that can't be? I never forgot about
Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up.
I'm
up.
Why, people?
See, look at what you did. You just made all our toys fail. What's that
Why?
sound? What's that sound?
Honey, don't be that crazy. Now get ready for school.
Ow, okay. Oh, Beatrice, it's time to wake up. It is? Oh, no.
Okay, I gotta go to work. Quick.
Also, there's a storm today. Woo. What's that, dear? He's already left. Come on, I'll go make you breakfast. Go get your school stuff. Let's see. Math book.
Oh, fine. It's time.
And I'm ready. I'm ready to go to school. You have to eat your breakfast first, sweetie.
Okay.
Here's my chair. Here, it's on the plate. Ow! You kicked me! Sorry, I just have to get to middle school. I just got my breakfast to go. Goodbye, people.
Hey, that hurt.
Bye, Mom.
Okay. I'm done.
Okay, you have to
Let me
wait
go
for
on
your
this.
sister.
I'm done. I need to brush my teeth. Okay. Let me brush my teeth.
I'm gonna brush my teeth.
Oh, okay. I'll grab my toothbrush
I'm done.
up here.
Now we need to go
And my
potty.
toothpaste.
Beatrice forgot to make her bed. Just make it for her. Oh, let me make my bed. I forgot.
Take a shower.
It's gonna be a snowy storm, so it needs to be clear. Oh. Don't forget to
I
bundle up
plugged the
today,
toilet.
sweetie. It's cold. I know. I'm gonna have a blanket.
I'm ready to go to school.
Don't forget to bundle up. It's cold today.
Oh,
Okay. Here's your school stuff. Don't forget your school stuff.
I know. I just like to hide in my backpack.
We're gonna be late for school.
I'll put my back.
Hello. We're gonna be late for
I'm ready.
school.
Gotta be.
Bye, sweet.
I guess we're just walking to school today because the bus is stopped. Okay, we're here. Sorry, we're the last people. Put your backpack in your locker. Okay. The refrigerator locker is ours. See?
Yep.
Says our name.
I put mine in the small one because you have a jumbo one.
Let me open it up and empty my backpack. Put everything in. Okay. Or maybe I just put it. Just put it on the top. If it doesn't. I said put it on your locker. I want some lemonade. My lemonade is over here, but that's okay. That is A-okay. The locker just fell through. Okay, let's go to school. Quick. Okay, we ready? Okay.
Oh yeah, a bug.
Hey, get out.
Get out of your seat. Get out of your seat.
See.
Get out of your seat.
Oh no! It's snowing! Get home this instant, you people!
Gotta get home. Mom, we're home. Okay. Mom, I'm home. We forgot our backpacks.
Yeah. Did you
I'm
get him?
home, Mom. Let me go get.
Okay. Is the cat inside? We have to close all doors and windows.
I'll go get. Wait for me.
Here we go. Close. Close. And the cat's in, right? Close. Is the cat inside?
Yeah, I looked everywhere when I came came inside. Before I came inside, everything's good.
Okay, the cat's inside. Good.
I'll shut the bathroom
Dun,
window.
dun,
Click.
dun. Okay. Are the baby's windows safe? Oh, close. Okay.
I'll take care of it.
I already closed it. There. Close, 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 close.
Yes.
Oh, I don't want to go there. Fine. I'll close your room windows.
I'm going to go do some homework.
Okay.
I'll be in my bedroom.
Close all the windows while you're out there.
I did close my bedroom windows. I closed them this morning.
There we go.
We need to close our windows. 1, 2,
Oh,
3,
yeah.
4. I did it. Why don't you guys go into your bedroom and do your homework?
Let's go to
I'll
sleep.
be in-
Let's go to sleep. No, we have to do our homework, Mom said.
I'll be
Do
in
our
my
homework.
room. I'll be in the living room.
Let me through. Let me through, Harmony. Let me through. I was gonna do my homework. Oh, I need to do my homework.